Today we're going to be talking mainly about our 2D framing and how we use framing in our tree shaping projects. With our 2D framing, what we do is we create a grid of strings because we need a flat plane in 3D space. A lot of our projects are going to be up against walls and things, so they have to be absolutely true. So what we do is, for the horizontal, we use water levels, and then when we're going to do the vertical, we use a plumb bulb so that we know it's all true and square, and we've always got something to reference back to as we're working on the project. Some of our 3D framings, sort of like tripods, and then we actually need sometimes a blend of both 2D and 3D, and sometimes we transition through to other forms of support. Peter's going to go and talk to you about one of the blended frames.
This is a 2D and 3D mirror. It's transitioning to the post. So this part will be taken away soon and the post will just hold it in place. But we do have a problem that this part here has to be held in place as well. So it has to be supported, because this is a little shelf that comes out in front of the mirror. So at the moment it's being knocked by the cat's tail, but it's held on steel. So it'll be fine for a while, but this becomes superfluous after a while. At the moment the canopy is in rapid growth. It was starting to pull the piece back and weigh it down. So we have now got it tied to the pole, which is going to support it. So this can be kept perfectly straight, and this cannot move because it moves with the canopy now. It's deep into the ground, about this far. So we'll go across and look at the one over here, which is completely on the pole. Right?
Just walk.
Just walk. Can we come across and look at this one from
Yeah, we will.
behind?
Can you talk about the canopy first?
Right.
Because I want to have all the canopy in.
If it wasn't attached to this post, when we got a bit of wind come through, it would just completely wreck this piece, because it's
Distort it.
it's still not that stable. It's like it's been supported all its life, so it hasn't built muscles yet.
Which is a problem with all gardeners have with staked
Yeah.
trees.
It's a problem all gardeners have with trees. This is Brins, and it's the first one to come off the grid of strings completely. So if you look at it side on, you will see a perfect straight line here.
Okay, I've got it lined up.
Yeah. It is, and this is going to be a shelf that comes out in front that'll have a piece of granite growing into it. So it's completely attached to this pole.
Yeah, it's perfectly flat for the wall.
It's got it's actually screwed here, and then it's taped on and tied, and it's tied by as many branches as possible. So this is in rapid growth, so it's thickening at the moment.